Thank you, Honorable Minister.
Panel Chairman, sir, I would like to thank members of the House from all sides for broadly extending their support to this bill. Sir, I would like to make a few clarifications. I don't want to make a big speech. Number one, this Act is applicable only to public premises. Defined premises belong to central government. One. Secondly, company defined in Section 3 of the Companies Act, in which not less than 51% share capital is held by central government, government of NCT of Delhi, because properties belonging to other state governments not included, because I cannot take any action without the consent of the state governments, because I am the Minister Urban Development also takes care of New Delhi and the state capital, national capital also. This bill was recommended by the state of Delhi and then accepted by the central government cabinet, and that's why it has come here. With regard to the fears expressed about unauthorized colonies of Delhi, then Rangpura example and all, Rangpura was because of the National Green Tribunal order, not because of the government. One. Secondly, with regard to the protection to the unauthorized colonies, already, sir, the Cabinet of India has decided to regularize all the unauthorized colonies. The matter was shared with the Parliament also earlier, so there should not be any fear on that count. Then, with regard to the unauthorized occupants' rent, it's not actual rent, but damages only will be collected from those people because they have been overstaying against the permission given to them. Upon deciding unauthorized occupation, there are 4 phases. Notice, 7 days. Hearing, another 7 days. Passing of orders within 15 days after that. Then eviction after 15 days. Then totally it comes to 45 days. Then in case of compelling reasons, another 15 days can be given. That means totally it takes 60 days. 60 days means 2 months. So we should all understand we are dealing with public property. Public means government, people's property. And moreover, people who are encroaching upon such major areas are not poor people, for information. It is the what you call the land sheikhs who control and then bring those people and put up a hut and then collect the rent and all. It's a practice everywhere. Mumbai you have examples, Delhi you have examples. We are trying to take care of such people. Ordinary people who are living in unauthorized colonies, they will not be touched at all. Let the House have this assurance from me. Then no new clause was added after the bill was referred to standing committee to modify the paid up share of capital of public sector companies. Based on the proposal from Government of New Delhi, National Capital in 2013, the companies registered under Companies Act of 2013 with not less than 51% paid up capital held by Government of India, they were included. Why this corporations council confusion? Because Delhi was earlier governed by 1 corporation, subsequently 3 corporations, and also NDMC, New Delhi Municipal Council. So there was some lacuna in interpretation. Keeping that in mind, all this we said corporations, council, that has been added to this. Other than this, the bill as was introduced by my friend Sri Kamal Nath at that time, which has been referred to standing committee. Standing committee made recommendation with regard to estate officer also, with regard to time limit also. Standing committee was very specific. If you give more time, they'll go somewhere and then get some stay here and there. I don't want to take my... Sir, you know our legal system. So people can get somewhere, some stay and all. The entire work will get struck for 6 months, 1 year like that. Keeping that in mind, these powers are given. With regard to actions by the estate officer, subsequently there is an appeal to district judge. So district judge is a superior officer. So we should have confidence in the district judge. All and other enough safeguards have been taken care while drafting this bill. With regard to certain apprehensions expressed by some of our honorable members, I assure them enough care will be taken in preparing the guidelines and rules care will be taken to take care of the apprehensions expressed by members from different sides. The matter has gone to standing committee, came back. In the larger interest of the public interest, I request the House to please pass this bill and then approve. Thank you very much.
Okay. Now, the question is that the public premises eviction of unauthorized occupants Amendment Bill 2014 as passed by Lok Sabha be taken into consideration. Those in favor, please say aye. Aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Motion is adopted. We shall now take up clause by clause consideration of the bill. Clause 2 to 6 stand part of the bill. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 2 to 6 are adopted. Clause 1 stand part of the bill. There is one amendment, number 2 by Sri Venkaiah Naidu.
Sir, at page 1, line 1 for the word 65th, the word 66 is consequential. Be substituted.
Yes, amendment moved. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Amendment is adopted. I shall now put clause 1 as amended to vote. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 1 as amended is adopted. The enacting formula stand part of the bill. There is one amendment, number 1, Sri Venkaiah Naidu. Sri Venkaiah Naidu.
Sir, I move the amendment.
Amendment moved. Those in favor, please say aye. Aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Amendment is adopted. I shall now put the enacting formula as amended to vote. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, ayes have it. The enacting formula as amended is adopted. The title stand part of the bill. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Title is adopted. Now, Sri Venkaiah Naidu to move that the bill as amended be passed.
Sir, I move that the bill as amended be passed.
Motion moved that the bill as amended be passed. The question is that bill as amended be passed. Those in favor, please say aye. Aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The bill as amended is passed.
Sir, I would like to thank members of all sides, including opposition on the bottom and right, for the support they have extended to this bill. Thank you.